மங்களகரமான தொடக்கத்தை கொடுத்த திருமதி நிர்மலா நரசிம்மன் அவர்களுக்கு நன்றி. அடுத்ததாக திரு கலாரதன் அவர்கள் சங்கராபரணம் என்கிற படத்திலிருந்து ஒரு பாடல் பாட வருவார். I just want to tell a few words about this song because it's got quite a lot of relevance to the program today. Krishnan mentioned about how music reaches across languages, barriers, race, culture and everything. This song is very pertinent because Shankarabharanam movie was released in the early 80s and this was the first movie that actually took Carnatic music to the masses. Up until this movie, Carnatic music is generally considered the privilege of the educated and the elite, and this movie literally took it to the masses. தமிழ்நாட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பட்டி தொட்டியெல்லாம் வந்து இந்த பாட்டு கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். இதில் இன்னொரு விஷயம் என்ன கவனிக்கணும்னா, இந்த படத்துக்கான எல்லா அந்த ஆண் குரல் எல்லாமே பண்ணது வந்து எஸ்பிபி தான். முதல்ல கேவி மகாதேவன் வந்து அவரை கூப்பிட்டு வந்து நீங்கள் தான் இந்த படத்துக்கு வந்து குரல் கொடுக்கணும், இந்த பாட்டுக்கெல்லாம் நீங்கள் தான் குரல் கொடுக்கணும். அப்போ எஸ்பிபிக்கு பயங்கர ஆச்சரியம். சார் அண்ணா என்னால் முடியுமா அப்படின்னாரு. என்னன்னா எஸ்பிபிக்கு வந்து ஒரு மியூசிக் ட்ரெடிஷன் இருந்துச்சு. அவங்க அப்பா வந்து ஒரு ஹரிக்கத்தை இருக்குவாங்க, அதாவது கலாகாலட்சேபம் பண்ணுறது. எஸ்பிபிக்கு நல்ல குரல் வளம் இருந்துச்சு. ஆனால் அவர் முறையாக கர்நாடக சங்கீதம் பயின்றவர் அல்ல. He had a lot of self-doubts when he started to work on this movie. But then the movie and the music was such a huge hit actually. It was really amazing. It ran for over 25 weeks in Madras and everywhere in Tamil Nadu. Although this movie was a purely Telugu movie. And I think so just a very interesting piece about this song. This song is actually quite a high-pitched song and even SPB kind of feared to take this song on. Anyway, we've got a fearless tiger in our midst, Kalarathan, our own Hamilton's SPB. Please come on, Kalarathan.
Shankara Nada Sharira Veda Dihara Jeeveshvara Shankara Nada Sharira Tangara, Kurtuleda, Rutra Nila. चिरी चिरी नौकुल काबुल ఊరినే ఊరుములు సరి సరి నడనలు సిరిసి మూములు కాబోలు మెరిసే మెరుగులు మురిసే పెదవుల చిరి చిరి నవ్వులు కాబోలు ఊరినే ఊరుములు సరి సరి నడనలు సిరిసి మూములు కాబోలు పరవసాన సిరిసూరంగా తరగ సారి నా శివగంగా పరవసాన సిరిసూరంగా తరగ సారి నా శివగంగా జ్ఞానలహరి నవ్వు మునుగంగా ఆనంద దృష్టినే తడవంగా శంకరా నాను శరీరాపరా వేద విహారాధర జీవేశ్వర శంకరా శంకరా శంకరా
Very well done, Kala. It was a very difficult song to sing, as you heard, and I'm amazed at how well he did. In fact, when I saw this song on the list, I thought, how is he going to do it? But I must say, that was an amazing performance. The next song is going to be